Quatro and Diversitech have been leaders in providing advanced air filtration solutions for diverse industrial applications. From automotive to aerospace and manufacturing, our tailored solutions meet the unique needs of each industry.
We are continuously evolving to address the specific challenges faced by our clients.
Our wide range of air filtration systems is designed for high efficiency and reliability and guaranteed to ensure top-notch performance and deliver unparalleled benefits.
At Quatro and Diversitech, we prioritize workplace safety and health, contributing to a sustainable environment. Our solutions not only meet, but exceed industry standards.
We serve key industries like automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. Our advanced technology addresses even the most demanding air quality challenges.
In these industries, our products are used in a variety of applications, including welding fume extraction, dust collection, chemical fume extraction, and mist elimination. Using our products for these applications help ensure a cleaner and safer work environment.
As part of the Absolent Air Care Group, Quatro and Diversitech benefit from shared resources, technology, and expertise, enhancing our global reach and innovation capabilities.
Quatro and Diversitech advanced air filtration solutions for a cleaner, safer, and more efficient industrial environment.